Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall Kraken app on iPhone. Uninstalling an app on iPhone would remove it from your device, but it does not delete your account or the funds. If you uninstall Kraken, your crypto account will remain safe on the platform and you can log back in anytime by reinstalling the app, and this process is quick and only takes a few seconds. So first you need to open to your iPhone and you need to simply tap on your Kraken app and tap and hold it until this menu opens. What you can do is you need to select to this red icon of this remove app and it will again ask you to confirm it. Simply tap on the delete and the app is now removed from your iPhone. And that is it. Uninstalling the Kraken app on your iPhone is a quick and straightforward process that only removes the app from your device, not your account or the fund. Whether you choose to delete it from your home screen or through setting, your data remains safe and accessible whenever you reinstall the app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.